There's a slew of new luxury compact SUVs on the market, but only a handful have the durable reputation and enviable quality of the 2018 Acura RDX. While not as new as the Mercedes-Benz CLC Coupe, Infiniti QX30 or Jaguar F-Pace, Acura's RDX for 2018 has the distinct advantage of being a known and proven commodity, having retained the same body, engine and option list for the last few years. Fortunately, it's a look that has stood the test of time, as has the RDX's excellent reliability and resale record. The 2018 Acura RDX is powered by a 279 horsepower 3.5-liter V6 teamed with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Acura's active cylinder management system lets this engine run on 6, 4 or 3 cylinders, depending on the need for power. The 6-speed automatic transmission goes about its business without notice, but if you're so inclined, you can shift gears yourself with the steering wheel-mounted shift paddles. The RDX with the technology package brings a blind spot monitoring system, rear cross-traffic alert, the AcuraLink satellite communication system, voice-activated navigation with real-time traffic and weather updates, SMS text messaging, GPS-linked climate control and the ELS premium sound system with 410 watts, 10 speakers, DVD audio, Dolby Pro Logic 2 and 15 GB of hard drive music storage.